Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I've been lately just not really too motivated to film anything because my last few makeup tutorials got no views on them hardly, and so I just haven't been really motivated to do anything with it, not my makeup tutorials. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. I don't really know what's gonna motivate me to do them because it takes a lot of work. You have to do lots of work to film those and to edit them, and then to get them uploaded. It just takes forever. So anyway, I just figured I would update you guys on what I've been doing. I'm sitting outside of the gym right now, and I went and got a Red Bull. It tastes exactly like the sugar-free one. I don't really know what the difference is, but I saw this new can, and I was like, I'll get that. But it's it tastes good. I'm just partial to Red Bulls. They're my favorite. Even though Monster did just come out with a green apple sugar-free one, and the sugar-free ones they usually don't get the best flavors of, and so I was super excited about that. I know it's stupid, but I don't know. I just get excited about dumb stuff sometimes. But anyway, so life updates. I had to work the past 2 nights, and it's been pretty crazy for the summertime. Usually as a nurse in the summertime on med-surg, because I work a medical surgical floor, that's usually the time of the year where it's not as busy. So the summertime we can kind of chill more and stuff. Most people are just not as sick, when it's in the spring they're sick, and in the fall they're sick, but the summertime they're usually not that sick. Well, it has been crazy. I mean, legit, we have been packed, slam full, and it's just been kind of a hectic start to the warmer months. But so yeah, we were pretty busy the past couple nights, and then I'm off tonight, and then I go back in Saturday night. I hate that. Some of you night shift workers, if you work 2 days, you're off for 1 day, and then you work another one. It just messes with your head. You're just kind of like a zombie the day off that you have. And I'm about to go into the gym in a full face of makeup because I had to go to a wake today. My husband's cousin, his girlfriend passed away from a complication from a seizure. She was only 30 years old, and they had 2 babies, and it was a really sad situation. I feel really bad for him, because I know men, once they don't have their women, they're just lost, and so that my heart breaks for him, and it's just a real sad situation. I had 2 little babies of 2 and 3, or 3 and 4, and they're the cutest kids ever. And so I had to go do that today. So I'm going to the gym in makeup. I usually don't like to do that because I just feel it kind of looks ridiculous. But I didn't even bring a hair clip, so I'm gonna have this hair everywhere. But so yeah, that's what my week has been going like. And in the past month, Jay has had 2 kickboxing tournaments. I don't know if I told you, but he has won both of those. If you are interested in just seeing my kid fight, he has a YouTube where we're going to be putting all his fights on. And so we call him Weapon X. I showed you the tattoo that I got. That's our name. And so he named his channel Weapon X, so it's just going to be a compilation of his fights and stuff. So he had his first 2 fights, and they're both on there. So if you type in Weapon X IKF, which is international kickboxing, point kickboxing, it's so just Weapon X IKF, and that will bring up his channel. So you're gonna see 2 videos. His first fight was May 25th, and then this past weekend he fought again. So that's basically what I've been doing. I had to drive a 3-hour drive to go to that fight last weekend, and then we ended up watching the UFC fight this past Saturday night with Cowboy Cerrone, and we watched that. And that's basically what I've been doing. I've not been doing that great diet-wise. I've been eating a lot of cake lately because I went to my dad's for Memorial Day. There's a guy straight getting it running through the parking lot right now. That's funny. Okay. It's like the gym's right there, bud. But yeah, we went to my dad's for Memorial Day and had like and his birthday, like had a cookout or whatever. And he had a birthday cake there, and it was so cool. It was like, my dad drinks a lot of beer. He's like a beer drinker. And so like one of his cousins made a cake, or got a cake made that is like a natural light can. It's so funny. And it had like bubbles coming out of it, like running down this cake. And then the cake was so good. Oh my God. I was like, and I just blacked out and I just started eating, and I made some questionable diet choices there. And then we went to like the seafood buffet this last Sunday. 2 pieces of cake again, big pieces. I was like, God, Case. I say I just black out. That's what I call it, like a blackout. When you just, all of a sudden you look down and you've eaten way more of whatever you were supposed to be eating. So that's like blackout. Yeah, I'm not proud of that. But anyway, I am at the gym. So I have actually been switching out the treadmill for the elliptical right now. And I'm a little fatter, and I don't know if it's just from all the bad food choices or what, or if I'm just not burning as many calories. But I will say that the elliptical is making my like hips and thighs smooth out a lot, so it's not as dimply like going down. And I think it's just from like changing to the elliptical where I'm having to work harder with my legs, and so I have been liking that. But that's really the only thing I've kind of changed recently. Oh, I hit a big possum with my car. You know, I got a new car like 3 months ago or so. I hit a big possum and broke my little side piece over here. Like the fog lights broken. And Jason, he told me I should like file it and get it fixed. And I was like, can't you just put some glue on it? Like epoxy it and fix it? And he was like, that's not the Casey that I know. I'm like, you know what? I'm just trying to live free right now. I'm trying to not get stressed about stupid stuff. And that is probably coming from going to church. It's really like calming me down on the inside. And I go to a church here in Greenville, North Carolina. It's called Ignite Church. Jason Lineberger is the pastor there. And it's so funny because his mom was Jason's teacher growing up. She's an art teacher. And somebody pulled up right beside me. And I'm way out here in the back of the parking lot. But yeah, she was his art teacher, and he's an artist now. And like, she was kind of like his little protege student, and she passed away, and now like we're going to her son's church, so it's nice for Jason. Like, I think it's really cool, just because like no teacher ever believed in him besides this one lady. Like, she just was like such a great lady, and so that's pretty cool. But Ignite Church, and they do put the sermons on their Facebook, and so you can go watch them. That's kind of how it made us really want to start going there, is because we watched the sermons on Facebook and we just thought he did such a good job. Jason is so picky about preachers because he knows a lot of information, and a lot of times he feels like preachers will give a lot more opinions rather than actual like information. And so this guy is blessed with the gift of like words, and it's so funny. He has a lisp too. It's like funny to listen to, and he picks on himself about it, but what he has to say is so good. It will he explains the Bible better than anybody I've ever listened to. He tells you like the verse in the Bible, and then he tells you like what you are going to learn from it, and then if it's something that kind of convicts your soul, he'll teach you how to fix it. Like what do I do if there's something wrong, like I'm doing something I'm convicted for, and then he'll teach you like ways to fix those things. So good. If you just need a little inspiration, they have different series, and they had like relationship goals as the last series. It was so good. Teach you like things to use in your relationships, and it just, I'm so blessed to be like able to go there. I really feel blessed. So that's Ignite Church, and they have it's in Greenville, North Carolina, and they have a Facebook, and they have a website too, and an app and everything, but that's just where I go to watch it. But anyway, let me go ahead and finish this, and I'm going to go get this workout done. Thanks for stopping by and checking in. If you have any questions for me, like life update stuff, or if you want me to do anything, certain videos, makeup videos. If anybody wants to see makeup videos, I will love to do them. I love to do makeup, but nobody watches them. So I'm like, I don't know. But if you want me to do some, like, give me some requests or anything. But anyway, I just did want to do this life update because I haven't put anything out in a while, and I just wanted to kind of tell you where I've been at and what's been, you know, going on lately. Nothing serious. I mean, my life's been going along pretty smoothly right now. We are still, oh, I forgot to tell you, you know, Jason has had his tricep tendon repaired twice, and they have failed both times, and we're looking to do a third surgery on his tricep. So please pray for us, because it's just been a roller coaster ride. So just please pray for us for that. But anyway, all right, I'm about to go get this workout done. I'm procrastinating because I'm tired. I'm about to go get it done. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.